Okay, so I got a watch that's got a crack. That's this guy. Hello, sir. Can you, I cracked my glass.
Black?
Yeah, I cracked the glass. Big crack on the front, dropped it. Yeah.
500.
Okay, 500. How long does it take?
What?
How long take? 30 minutes? 1 hour?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay, can do.
You blogger?
Yes, sir. What's your name?
Roderick Risco.
Risco, Max. Nice to meet you.
Max.
Nice to meet you. So you can see he's got a little watch repair shop here. These are all different size.
Yeah. Different size. Very small machine.
Mini small.
Small machine. Very
Yes.
small. Replica.
Ah, yes.
That.
Oh. And then goes the next one. Working with that glass.
My friend Chris Lewis.
Yes,
Blogger.
also my friend. He told me, Fix, come to you.
Chris Lewis is blogger this next month, next year.
Yes.
11 million viewers.
He told me broken watch, he told me come here. He said, you're number one.
Yeah, number one.
I feel like I would cut my hand a lot doing that. Oh, you never cut hand? I was so scared to cut my hand on the glass. Look at that, he's going through, just cleaning it up.
Okay. Finish. This one.
Perfect.
That's it.
Like Cinderella. So it looks like you kind of get some glue here ready to go. And this is the glue?
Yeah, glue.
Okay, so you mix together and
Mix glue.
it gets strong.
Yeah.
He's gonna take a toothpick and go around the edge.
Okay. Finish.
Finish, perfect.
Finish product. My friend is Chris Lewis. Naantay ko, di ba nadating eh? I come back here eh.
Yeah.
Chris Lewis. Oh, so beautiful.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Better than when I bought it. He called my watch fake. He's like, wow, it's so fake. I was like, yes, yes, it is from India.
What's your time?
I don't know. Let's see.
9:35.
Okay, let's go by your time.
Okay.
Man,
You're American?
look at American, yes.
American. Chris Lewis is American.
Yes, also American. Look better than when I bought it. 500?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. For you, my brother. Awesome.
Tip.
No, tip. Have tip. Yes,
Thank
tip.
you.
Thank you.
My friend,
Looks
nice
good.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for help.
Thank you.
Oh, this looks awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ah, okay, there we go. Man, it actually looks better than like when I bought it. Yes, sir.
Yung picture.
Okay, picture.
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 Waki. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good way.
Thank you.